Hey Rosebuds, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in my laundry room, and so today guys, I just want to show you how you can do a non-toxic minimalist laundry routine. So guys, this is my routine. You can take what you want from it, you can add, you can subtract, but I'm shooting for like a mostly chemical free minimalist type of routine. So the first thing that I use is a laundry detergent that is free and clear. Free and clear meaning that it has no dyes, no perfume, no fragrances or anything like that. So if you're somebody who is chemically sensitive like myself, and you want to change your laundry detergent, look for one that's free and clear, okay, or unscented, but I would say look for free and clear. So what I'm using currently, I'm using this liquid one, and it's plant powered. So this one is ECOS. This is the one that I'm using. It's free and clear. And this also Arm & Hammer. This is free and clear also. So I use this when I'm using like whites, and then I will use the liquid one for the other colored clothing. So when I want to take out stains, when I have stains and I want to take it out, I do use OxiClean, but I use the one that is free and clear also. So I just put mine in this little jar here, and I add it to my hot water in the machine and just soak the clothes, and the stains generally come out. If you want to get your laundry smelling, if you miss those synthetic fragrances and you still want your clothes to be smelling nice and all of that, what I normally do is I normally rinse with like a cup of white vinegar. I have it somewhere. So I normally rinse like with a cup of white vinegar, and then I will take my essential oils. This is lavender, and I will just drop a few of this in the rinse water along with the vinegar, with the white vinegar. So you're just using a cup or so of white vinegar in the rinse cycle, so you don't have to use like fabric softener or anything like that, okay? Because fabric softener is another chemical, okay? And we want to stay away from the chemical. We want to do chemical free minimalist laundry routine. So guys, that is it. It's just unscented laundry detergent, essential oils, and vinegar, a cup or so of vinegar in the rinse water, and that is all you need really. So guys, I hope you find this information useful, and if you're liking this type of content, please go ahead, subscribe, please like, please leave a comment. What is your routine, and some of the products that you use as well. So guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.